If you're looking for a simple way to bring retro gaming back to life, you may have seen the Kinhank HDD retro gaming hard drive. But is it actually legit? Or is it just another overhyped gaming product? I decided to take a closer look. The Kinhank HDD is basically a plug-and-play retro gaming drive. It comes loaded with games and is designed to work with compatible devices. The main idea is simple. Plug it in, set it up, and start playing. And honestly, that sounds pretty convenient. One thing I like is the huge game library offered with some Kinhank drives. Instead of searching for individual games, you get a large collection in one place. The hard drive is also portable, so you can take your retro gaming setup with you. But there are some things you need to watch out for. First, compatibility can be an issue. Not every computer or gaming setup will work perfectly with every Kinhank model, so you need to check the specifications before buying. Then there's the game selection. The exact games included can vary depending on the model and version. So don't assume every drive has the same library. Performance can also depend on your hardware. Some games may run smoothly, others might need extra configuration. And that's probably the biggest downside. This isn't necessarily a completely effortless experience for everyone. So, is the Kinhank HDD retro gaming hard drive legit? From what I found, it appears to be a real retro gaming solution. But I wouldn't call it perfect. If you love classic games and want a large collection in one place, it could be worth considering. Just make sure you check compatibility and exactly what you're getting before you spend your money.